So here's the truck. I'm probably gonna end up sinking this truck. Because I'm probably gonna end up sinking this truck. Because I'm probably gonna end up sinking this truck. I'm probably gonna end up sinking this truck. I don't know how to do it. I don't know the procedure. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm loosening.
If you feel
the honest truth, Samara, that's the scary part.
If you feel any of those emotions, please continue watching this video.
All of a sudden the chain breaks.
Where can we find that?
Might be one here. I don't know.
We are unbolting the engine from the engine mounts. This one's a 14.
Just kidding, you're taking this.
Just kidding.
Here we go.
So is it pretty loose then?
Okay.
Was it pretty loose then?
Yeah.
So there was one bolt on each side or two bolts on each side? Two bolts on each side. Now we are disconnecting the tranny bolts. Two transmission bolts behind there. They're not easy. So once you get those out, they were 17. Should be good to go.
There we go. There's the 17.
Whoa.
A wild caterpillar looks for leaves.
What's up?
We gotta swap whatever the fuck that is. Is that the clutch or what? Coming off there?
Oh.
We're gonna need a torque wrench.
Okay.
Hope we can get one tomorrow.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, stand back.
That was the starter that fell there. Attached to something. And something's leaking.
The starter's leaking water. God damn. Oh, I forgot to take the throttle cable off the bitch. This engine's like, I'm not coming back. Oh, no, I'm not coming back.
Fuck you guys.
Fuck you guys. You guys are coming. Hey, Mom, come check it out. They're changing a set of brake pads in this truck. All of a sudden the chain breaks. Destroys the inside of the truck bay.
So today we are going to show you how to change a clutch on a 22 RE engine.
Shouldn't affect the bearing too much. to 80.
That was quick. So after you get the clutch on, you just torque these little guys to 14 foot-pounds?
You're zooming in on the wrong thing.
What? These guys? These guys. Those guys. You torque these guys to 14 inch-pounds? Foot-pounds.
168 inch-pounds.
Okay, let's try that again. So, after you put the clutch on, you torque these guys to 14 foot-pounds. And there you have it. You got your clutch. Alright.
Check this out, guys. We just read this on the internet. We're pulling this pilot bearing out of my 22RE Toyota engine. Someone said to try packing it full of tissue paper and water and hammering it with a socket that fits the size of the bearing perfectly. Check it out. It actually is coming out. Slowly, but...
Pretty much after days of replacing every single part on one engine to the other, because it turns out it was sort of the wrong engine, same engine but different, we've been spending I think about 3 weeks replacing almost every single part on the old engine and putting it on the new engine. It's a lot of work. Today we're finally ready to put it in the truck, so that's exciting. Alright, we got a sacrificed ant. And we're going to feed it to the spider. Ah! He's like way out of his home now. He still doesn't see the ant. Like, I'm trying to fucking feed you. Definitely don't feel sorry for them. Hate them. hate them, they're too dumb. Day 6, he's still with us. Week 8, he's still with us. Week 5, he's still with us.
The blue thing connects into the red thing. The red thing connects into my...
Oil pan goodies. Sounds pretty good. Oh, okay.